Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We're here at Antioch Speedway in the beautiful Bay area of California. So I don't know why I said beautiful, but anyway, we're here at the track. I love this track. It's we won last time we were out here. I'll put a link somewhere up here in the description if you want to watch that video. But it's like round number 9 for the Extreme Series. Cars all unloaded. We'll show you here in a second. And track looks pretty good so far. It's really windy, so it may go dry, but it's only like 75 degrees. It's kind of really cool out, cloud cover, storm running it coming in. So we'll see how the track goes. But anyway, if you can, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you've already subscribed to the channel, I greatly appreciate it, and stay tuned.
To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
All right, there's a look at the pits. This place is packed. 5 divisions, each class has a really good car count. We're pitted right over here next to our buddy Rod. All right, there's a look at the car. People hard at work. We already did it. We got here a little bit earlier. Yeah, your eyes are not deceiving you. We're going topless again. It's the last night of the year doing that. So then we'll throw the roofs back on and be back here in a couple weeks. Is all complete. Managed to get second there at the end. That lap car, Rod had nowhere to go, and then the lane opened and got second. So I think we're doing a redraw here. I'm not really sure yet, but car looks good. We just put some gas in it. They're hard working at it right now, just trying to get everything ready, just checking everything. So main event will be coming up here in like an hour or two or something. So we're gonna do a few more air pressure checks and maybe make a few adjustments, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. All right, results are in. Matt McKelly won our heat race. He got to draw 1 through 4, and I don't know, they do it different every track. A 0 through 3, I guess, but he drew a 0 anyway. So he starts on the pole, Kylie Ricardo on the outside pole, and then I start third. So should be rolling off here in about an hour. Car's ready to go.
Michelli has a commanding lead now, 1 and 2, followed by Dan Brown Jr., Kylie Ricardo, and Buddy Niss.
Buddy Niss spins in front of Rod Oliver, collects Jake Dewsbury.
Oh boy, yellow flag.
trailer's loaded. Races are over. We got the win tonight. Thankfully, lap traffic was there, so we were able to get by McKelly. Only like 5 laps or so, but that's all it took. So pretty proud of our team and everything. So anyway, if you guys hit that subscribe button, please just follow along with our journey. We race back here on, I think it's October 8th. And first in points didn't show up tonight, so kind of unfortunate, but we have a like 43-point lead now on the 2 races to go in the series. So anyway, we'll see you next time, and we'll keep you updated.